Hi students, welcome to our maths class. So in the previous class we discussed some concepts of circle, formulas of circle. Today let us see some problems involving the formulas. First question, find the radius and area of a circle whose circumference is. So circumference is given, right? What is given here? Circumference of the circle. Circumference means perimeter. Circumference of the circle equal to 132 cm. One problem I will say, you try second one. Okay. So 132 cm. So let R be the radius of circle. Then what is the circumference of circle? Circumference of a circle equal to 2 pi r units. Right? You remember? What is the circumference of the circle when radius is given? 2 pi r. So we are given that 2 pi r value. 2 pi r equal to 132. 2 into pi means 22 by 7. R we do not know, equal to 130. From this I can find R value. How? 132 into this 2 by 1 will be 1 by 2, transposing RHS. 22 by 7 will be 7 by 20. Okay? You can cancel it. 11 2s 22, 11 1s 11 2s, 2 6 are, 2 3s are. So R equal to 7 3s are 21 cm. What is R here? So the radius we got it. The radius R equal to 21 centimeters. If you have radius, we can find easily area, right? Now, area of the circle. Area of the circle. What is the area of circle formula when radius is given? Pi r square square units, right? So pi value 22 by 7 into r square means 21 into 20. We have radius here 21 centimeters. So r square means 21 into 21. 7 3s are. So 21 into 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Take the product. 63 into 21. 2 6 are 12. 6 plus 6 12. 3 1s are 3. So 3 2 3. 1 3 2 3. Square centimeters. Okay? So therefore, what is area? 1323 square centimeters. Okay. That is the final answer. So whenever we are given the circumference, what is the formula to find the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. So 2 pi r equal to, we are given 132. From there we can get radius value. When we have radius, you can find the area of the circle, pi r square. Okay? Second question, you try the second one, 22 meters, same steps, you can get it. Okay? Try it. Next one, area is given. In the first problem, we are given circumference and we got area. Now area is given, we have to find the radius and the circumference. Okay? Just reverse procedure. So second solution, first one given. What is given? I will do second one, you try first one. Okay? First one you try. So area of the circle is given. Area of the circle. What is area of circle here? 6.16 meter square. Let R be the radius of a circle. Let R be the radius of a circle. Then what is the area of circle? Then the area of circle equal to pi r square units. We are given the area, but we know the formula for area. What is the formula for area? Pi r square. So pi r square equal to 6.16. So from this I have to find the value of r. 22 by 7 into pi value approximately 22 by 7. So into I will take 100 by 100, because after decimal point we have 2 digits. So multiply 100 with and divide with 100. So if you multiply with 100, this point will go. This becomes 616 by 100. So r square equal to 616 by 100 into 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22. As many decimal points here, that many zeros we have to multiply and divide. You might have got that earlier. 11 2s 22, 11 5s 55, 11 6s are 66, 2 1s 28s are, right? So r square equal to 7 8s are 56, 7 2s are 14 plus 196 by 100. So r equal to square root of 196 by 100. If square goes that side, square roots, it becomes square root. So 196 square root 14, 100 square root 10, means 1.4 meters. So the radius, how much you got now? So the radius r equal to 1.4 meters. Okay. Square roots you should have by hearted earlier. So now we got radius. Now what should you find? Now circumference. Circumference of the circle. 2 pi r units. 2 into pi value 22 by 7, r value 1.4. 7 1s are 7 2s are 22 2s 44 into 0.2. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. One decimal after you have to keep decimal meters. So therefore circumference is what? 8.8 meters. That is the answer. Circumference 2 pi r, 2 into pi value 22 by 7, r you got here 1.4, 7.2, 44 into 0.2, 8.8 meters. Okay. We will see the next one. Same model, third one also. We are given area, find circumference. Same model. So I will change the values here. Just third one. So from here it is to be simplified. What is given in the problem? Third problem. What is given? Area 1386 centimeter square. Let r be the radius of the circle. Then the area of the circle pi r square. Therefore pi r square equal to 1386 pi 22 by 7. R square equal to 1386. I want r square equal to 1386 into 22 by 7 will be 7 by 22. Transpose that side. 11 2s, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s 22, 11 6s are 2 1s. Is the perfect square now? 441 is perfect square. 21 I think so. Centimeters. 21s are 441, correct? So the radius. He got 21 centimeters. What did they ask now? Now circumference they are asking. Circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. is equal to 2 pi r units. So 2 into pi value 22 by 7, r value we got 21. So 7 3s 44 into 3, 132 centimeters. Therefore, circumference 132 centimeters. Clear? We shall see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.